Hi there and welcome, very welcome indeed. This is a flip through of it's an altered file folder really. This is what it is, but it's made a nice folio. The papers I'm using are French Fancy, excuse me, from the Journal Boat on Etsy. She has some gorgeous papers, really gorgeous. So as you can see, well, let me measure it for you and we'll see what we're dealing with. It's 9 inches tall and it's almost 6.5, and that's about an inch, I should say, the spines. It's got a spine on either side. So let's just have a look at the outside. We've got this flap here that's on a magnet. Such a satisfying sound, isn't it? We've got these two butterflies that are from the kit that I've stuck on and put a little blue gem on each of them, so they look quite nice. Little collage here behind using some of the tailor-made journal paper. I'm trying to remember what it was called. You'll see it on Lorna's shop if you go there, Paper Made Journals. This is this spine. It's got cream cotton lace on it and this blue piece of ribbon, which will become apparent later. And then this is the back. And this is a pocket. And inside the pocket we have this very large journaling tag. Plenty of room in there for journaling. There's a nice stenciled image, and that's the back. It's all sewn round. It's relatively plain. Well, there's plenty going on, I suppose, on the front, but the main real thing about it is it's for journaling. So let's delve inside and see what we can see. Ooh, looks nice, doesn't it? This was originally a green file folder, but I covered all the edges with brown framers tape. Thank you, Julie, for that tip. And then I printed over the tape itself, so it actually looks like it's printed tape, but it isn't. So let's start at this side then. Well, here we've got more of Lorna Taylor from Tailor Made Journals, French. Oh, I can't remember, French something. And it's beautiful. It's this beautiful colour that just goes with this French Fancy kit so well. They were a marriage made in heaven. And on this flap, I've got a pocket and I've got a little journaling card with stenciling on the back. Now you can see more of that document. It's lovely. And that just fits into a pocket there on the front. This is stuck down with magnets. I don't use them that often, and when I do, I just love that sound. It's just nice. That flips up, more of the document on the back. And here we have an envelope. It's one-sided. I only printed on one side, so I've actually stenciled around there, so you can so it takes the plainness away. And here we have a little journaling card. I've sewn around it, inked around it. That just fits into there nicely, and that goes there and it shuts so pleasingly. Now then, we have a journal here that's in the middle really of the folio. I'll come on to the back later, but let's just have a look at the journal. This is French Fancy paper. It's beautiful. I love it. This is the butterfly, and I've stuck him on so his wings have got, bit of 3D-ness, a couple of pearls down there, a little collage behind it, and that's it. That's all it needed. It was so pretty. And some more of the design paper, and then a sheet of coffee stained, sheet of design. I mean, look at these. Oh, it's just so nice. But I've put loads of the design pages in because they are beautiful. They're lovely to look at. But I've also put lots of the coffee stain paper in for practicality. So we actually have a journal. I don't really need to say anything about them, do I? They're just beautiful. And this one I printed on vellum, and it's even more delicate and more pretty if it possibly can be. So that's the backdrop, so you can see through it really. It's lovely. More coffee stained. It's lovely. Look, oh, I love that. That might be my favourite actually. Some more coffee stained. So it's quite a sizable journal, this. You know, this section of it. That's beautiful too, isn't it? And here we have the centre spread, which was the collage sheet from the papers. Now, I have bound the journal separately, but then I have attached it to the folio by means of this ribbon, which you can untie. It's just a loosely tied bow, and here you can see it's loose. You can remove that, and you could remove the whole journal. I think probably you can get it out without removing the ribbon. And there you have it. It's bound, so you can take it with you wherever you want to go. When you come home, you can just pop it back in if that's what you want to do, and it'll stay there. So there we have it. It's quite a nice little trick. It's just a removable journal. Right, so that, oh, look at that. It's beautiful. So that brings us on to this part here, which these are flippy flap things, and they've got button and a stud in the middle, and they're just tied with some string like that, and they flip out. This top one here has got a little envelope. I haven't put anything in there. It is a gusseted envelope. There's plenty room to put something in there, and there's plenty room here that would absorb whatever it is you want to put in. But I left that for you to put something in. It's got this little collage here, a little butterfly, and it's held together with Velcro, little bow on there. And the bottom flip, this one, is the same. It's the same pocket envelope, same collage, Velcro, and you can see it's gusseted. It's a gusseted envelope, so you can get stuff in there, definitely. So, you know, if you're going around and you, I don't know, had a bus tour or a nice lunch or whatever it may be, you can pop the receipt or your ticket or whatever in there, and it's just a nice thing to keep. Now here in the centre we have this. Oh, this is lovely. There was a lot of work went into this. I think a lot of you watched me do it live on a live stream, but there we go. So we've got this is all decoupaged and then stenciled, etc., and then stitched around. So we've got the nice image there. We've got journaling here, gorgeous image there, journaling there. And should you wish to take it with you, it all comes out and it folds up like that. And then on that side that I've shown you. And then if you take it out the other way, that's what you've got. I mean, it's lovely. I really like that. And I've bound around the things with washi tape, so it'll be fairly secure for you to take out and carry around. That just fits into there. And then we've got this collage here, a stamp on a nice background, a stencil, a handmade flower. It's just pretty. It's pretty, pretty. So that folds over there. This ties up. But as I say, there is definitely room under there to get something in those envelopes, should you find something you want to keep in there. And that's that. Just a little bit more design paper down there. That all folds like that. Clips shut like that. It's so lovely. So, yeah, there we go. That's one spine. That's the other spine with the blue ribbon for your journal. There's the front. It says journal. And there is, you know, I feel quite happy saying it's a journal because we do have that large journaling section in the middle. So I hope you enjoyed that. It'll be for sale in my Etsy shop very shortly. Thank you for watching. Bye.